Alright friends, let us see how the airplane was invented. Okay, now I'll show you how the story began. Wright brothers. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, were two American aviation pioneers, generally credited with inventing, building, and flying the world's first successful motor-operated airplane. The Wright Flyer 1. The Wright Flyer, often retrospectively referred to as Flyer 1 or the 1903 Flyer, was the first successful heavier-than-air-powered aircraft designed and built by the Wright brothers. They flew it 4 times on December 17, 1903. The Wright brothers had made other models of planes. Some of them are Wright Flyer 1, 2, 3, and 4. After the Wright brothers' design, other people started to make better planes. They started making passenger and cargo planes. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.